In this video, I'm taking a look at the 1M301 single driver in-ear headphones from One More. Quite frankly, these inexpensive headphones blew me away. Now keep watching to find out why. Usually I'd tell you the price at the end of a review, but not today. The 1M301s by One More cost around $30. And I want you to remember this price. Keep it in your head whilst you're watching this video and you'll soon find out why. Now before I get into the sound and build quality, I want to show you the unboxing experience that you won't be expecting. When opening the box, we're greeted with the headphones, which are well packaged, a box with a pin in it and a few more bits underneath the headphones. Now underneath here we've got a small brochure book which is going to be showing their other headphones available, a One More sticker with a little teddy bear kind of logo, and finally a user manual. Now taking a quick look back at the red box, inside we've got this nice looking cover, and these are going to be to put your headphones in whilst you're out and about travelling and you're not actually listening to them. And then finally we have a One More pin. Now this pin can be used to actually hold your headphone wires together whilst clipping it to something that you're wearing, like a jacket or a coat perhaps. Now inside the headphones case, upon lifting up the headphones, it reveals 3 different sized earbuds in extra small, small and large. So if we flip this over, we can actually see that the medium sized buds come pre-installed, meaning you get a total of 4 different sizes, which isn't something you see every day. Now in terms of the sound quality, I found that the sound signature was designed for the upper mid-range with a mild bass. That means that the highs and mids were good, and even when turning the volume up very loud, I didn't find that these actually got distorted like a lot of inexpensive in-ear headphones do. Now personally, I actually prefer a heavier bass, so if you're a bit of a bass head like me, then I don't think these will be suited for you. But if you're someone that enjoys listening to the nice, clean upper mid-range, then these are definitely going to be for you. If you're going to be listening to something like acoustic music or something that has a lot of instruments and stuff, then you'll definitely hear all of them come through crisp and clear. So looking at the build quality, you have an in-ear piston headphone design with an attached inline clicker controls that are compatible with both iOS and Android. These allow you to change the volume, music tracks, and take calls should you wish to use the inbuilt microphone. Then as you go down the Y shape into a singular cable, this is a braided mix of TPE and nylon, meaning that you'll get a tangle-free experience. Then the connector on this is going to be a standard 3.5mm gold-plated headphone jack connector, so you'll need an adapter should you wish to use this on the majority of the latest flagship mobile phones. Overall, One More are aiming to give you a balanced audio experience with a youthful design with a space grey and red colour finish. Now if you remember that price that I told you at the very beginning, $30. Now at this price, I'm not pretending that they've just reinvented the wheel. Instead, they've taken it upon themselves to release probably the best in-ear wired headphones experience available at this price point that I've personally experienced to date, and for the price, these are definitely something that I would recommend if you're looking for a wired in-ear headphones on a budget in 2020. Now if you've enjoyed this review, then hit that like button, and if you're new, then don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, do drop a comment down below. That's it for now guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.